Mufasa. Gosh, he's so big. There we go.
Did you get an ear?
No, it's on video right now. Mufasa, come here. Give me your toy.
Get a toy. Where's your toy?
Where's your toy?
It's over here.
Where's your toy? Ow. Just big. And there's a chihuahua right there, a little one. Can't even see him with behind Joey. Where's Kilo Bean? He's over there. Aunt's yawning. Aunt's yawning. Frankie. Mufasa.